Hi, this is Mrs. Okerman, and I'm here to show you one of the most important things that you need to complete in order to turn in your photo project image. Your image must be submitted as a JPEG. If you are using the camera on your iPad or an iPhone, it is not saved as a JPEG and it needs to be converted. I'm going to show you a workaround to be able to do this. For anyone who does not need this workaround, you need to just double check that your image is saved as a JPEG, and I'll show you how to do that when I get to that part of this video. If you are using your iPhone or if you're using your iPad, start in Photos, and then from whatever image you're going to use, choose the Export button and make a copy of the photo. This is now saved in the working memory, and you're going to come back to your home screen. Go ahead and search for Files. This is going to open up a folder which almost none of us ever use, but it is a place to store some information. When you open up the files, it is going to have several folders. If you simply touch the screen and hold it, you're going to get some options. One of these options is to paste. Paste the document. As soon as you paste your image, you can see by the title of the name, it turns it into a JPEG. This is the format you must have in order to submit your image for the photo project. Open up the image, and from here you're going to use the Export button again, and you're going to either scroll across to find Schoology, or you're going to need to open the More button and select it and scroll down until you find Schoology. From Schoology, you're going to open it up. You're going to go to Submit Assignment, and you're going to turn it into the photo submission for the photo project. Please, when you turn this in, and if you have used something that's not an iPhone, or if you are confident in how you've already saved your image, this is where you can check where it says Post. After the name of your image, it has a dot, and it should be .jpeg. Double check that what you're submitting is a JPEG, and then you're good to go. Have fun.